It's been a year since we had this fight against COVID-19. I don't think any words can fully describe what 2020 has been like. It's quite surreal to see the world come to a standstill. So it's really been an exceptional year, challenging, exhausting for everyone. We've had to put in place some very difficult measures in Singapore, unprecedented, and we are very appreciative that Singaporeans have cooperated and taken these measures in their stride. So I want to echo what Minister Gan said just now, to thank all our healthcare and frontline workers who have been working hard round the clock over the whole of last year and are continuing to do so. We've had also many unsung heroes from across all walks of life doing their part, and certainly the tremendous spirit of Singaporeans in rallying together, showing appreciation for the essential workers, for the migrant workers, going out of their comfort zone to help people who are in need and there are people who are vulnerable. I think this crisis has certainly brought out the best of Singaporeans. We are entering 2021 and this new year with more capabilities in tackling COVID-19. We are in a much stronger position from that point of view. On the other hand, the situation remains highly unpredictable. There are new, more infectious strains out there, may even be circulating in our community, we don't know. And we have seen also community cases creeping up. The reality is there is a sense of fatigue among Singaporeans with all the safe management measures that they have to comply with. That's true everywhere in the world. We are still in a vulnerable position. It only takes one super spreader event for new cases to emerge in an uncontrollable fashion. So we are trying very hard to prevent that from happening, and our priorities for this year are twofold. Number one, we will have to continue to accelerate our vaccination program. We have already been ramping up, and we will go all out to try and get everyone in Singapore vaccinated as soon as possible. Number two, we continue to stay vigilant, and we continuously update and review our measures and safeguards, and where necessary, we will make adjustments. We must ensure that our measures at the borders, as well as our community measures, remain tight and effective in keeping the infection under control. We have a plan to get everyone vaccinated by the third quarter of this year. But between now and the third quarter of this year, there are many months and many things can happen during this period. So let's stay alert, let's stay vigilant, let's rally together and complete our mission to defeat COVID-19 together.